Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fold duct tape into a rope. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. If you have duct tape and you need a rope, you can fold your duct tape into a rope rather easily, okay? So take a look at this. I'm gonna get a little bit of duct tape, and you wanna essentially get the length of duct tape that you sort of want to turn into a rope, okay? So I'm just gonna cut this duct tape over here, just like this, and just give me a moment. I don't want it to fall everywhere. There we go. So I've used the scissors to cut the duct tape. I'm going to place it to the side, and now I have this length of duct tape. So I'll show you how to turn this length of duct tape, and for that matter, any length of duct tape, into a rope. So you're going to have a sticky side. This is the sticky side of the duct tape right over here, okay? You want to hold it so that you know where the sticky side is, and you want to start folding it lengthwise, okay? Where the sticky side touches itself. So I'm going to fold it lengthwise like this, where the sticky side is going to touch itself. I folded the ends like that. I'm going to sort of work my way in, and you want to try and keep it relatively even. Try your best. It doesn't need to be perfect by any means, but you want to try and keep it relatively even. So I'm sort of stretching it and pulling outwards so that it sort of gets a nice, relatively straight line. As you can see over here, I folded it so that the sticky side touches itself, and we're going to continue doing that again. So we're going to fold it one more time just like that, follow about the same line, give or take, and do the same thing, okay? Just like that. And basically what you're doing is you're creating a multi-layered length of duct tape, which should be pretty strong, and it's turning into a rope. Now when you get to the end, you can essentially fold it again, or you can just kind of roll it onto itself. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to show you how to just roll it onto itself. So here's the sticky side. I'm going to take this, and I'm sort of just rolling it up so that it sort of, the sticky side sort of wraps around it, as you can see, just like that. And I'm working my way down. So I'm just sort of folding it and up on itself and rolling it nice and tightly so that the sticky side sort of just gets onto the part that we'd folded. Okay, just like that. And this will give it almost like a circular sort of rope-like structure. Okay, just like that. I'm almost done. All right, and the last thing we're going to do is just sort of finish it off. Any sticky parts that are remaining, just sort of finish it off by just sort of folding them onto itself. And what you're going to be left with is you're going to be left with a length of duct tape that is sort of like a rope. Now, I will tell you, this is not going to be, I mean, it might be, but I wouldn't think that this is as strong as a rope. It is strong, right? But depending on what rope you're, you know what? Now that I think about it, you know, this is probably stronger than many ropes, actually. So this is probably quite a strong structure, but I wouldn't think about it in the same way that I think about a rope, in the sense that I would obviously rather choose a rope if I needed to use a rope for something. This is almost like a backup. So it is quite strong, but it reacts sort of differently than a rope. You can see it bends instead of sort of curves. You can use it like a rope, but like I said, I would obviously choose a rope if, you know, you have access to a rope for doing whatever you're gonna do, tying something up, whatever the case is. But you can always use duct tape as a backup, and it would serve as a strong. Wow, this is actually really strong. I didn't think it would be as strong as it is. This is actually really, really strong. So basically this can serve as a backup to a rope, and you can obviously get as long of a length of duct tape as you want to. And that's basically it. That is how to fold duct tape and sort of roll duct tape to make like a makeshift rope. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.